to welcome you all here to this beautiful state-of-the-art Beverage Education Lab. I see this laboratory as not just a place of learning, but a hub of innovation.
As you probably know, the beverage industry has grown quite a bit, and it has become more diversified than ever. And we at USC, our goal is to remain in the forefront of that.
This is an area that's not only a moneymaker for the industry, but also an area of really interesting research. I really do hope to use this space moving forward to do more of that research.